Hi guys, good morning everyone. Hello all. Good morning. Hi Sahan. Am I audible to everyone? Can I get the quick responses please? All right. So I hope my screen is also visible to everyone, right? Fine, great. So we have to start today the practical implementation of ADF, right? We have to see today ADF concept. So how we are going to do the labs for ADF, we'll start from today. Okay. The strength is less today. Maybe the people are joining a little bit late. Okay. Already we are at 7:37. So here we have to start from. Okay. Implementation steps for copying the data from blob storage account to ADF Gen 2 storage account using ADF. So what I'm saying here in this demo, I'm saying that okay, I'm having a file .csv file. Okay. I'm having a .csv file. Okay. In my blob storage account, and this file I'm copying from my blob storage account to ADL Gen 2 storage account using ADF Azure Data Factory. So what we'll do here, okay, steps I'm telling on a high level. We'll create a resource group first. We'll create a blobs. Okay, I'll do practically only. This you can understand very well. Okay, so open this document. Here you will find all these steps. See, these are all these steps, step by step. I have mentioned here what we are doing, how we are doing, what exactly. Okay, this is the lab. This is the lab for today. Okay, fine. Here we are completing this lab. Okay, so what I'll do, first I'll create a resource group, then I'll create a folder. I'll create a folder in our local laptop and paste the .csv file in it. This is the .csv file. I'll paste it in the folder in my laptop. So what I'll do, I will go here first. I'll go to this drive. This is my folder, Azure Data Engineer. Okay, I'll just delete the existing all folders. I'll take a refresh and I'll paste this file. Okay, this file I'll paste it in my local laptop. Okay, it is not coming here. Fine. This is the data. Small data I'm copying. I'm copying small amount of data only, not big data. So I'll just say right click, new tab, and I will say, okay, new text document. Okay, this is the data I'm copying from blob storage account to ADL Gen 2 storage account using ADF. Okay, I'll say here file, save as. Okay, I'll say here called details.csv. I'll save it as all files. I'll click on save. Fine. Close. See, this is the CSV file. Now I'm having in my local laptop. First, I'll take this file into my blob storage account. Okay. So what I'll do now, I'll come here, I'll create a storage account, but this resource group is getting still deleted. The resource group which is in deletion in progress, the resource group, okay, who is getting deleted, okay, and getting deleted or deletion is in progress, okay, the resource group which is getting deleted or deletion is in progress. And if we try to create new resources in that resource group, okay, then it will get failed. Okay, we have to wait until deletion is completed. Okay, so I can create new resource group. It will fail even if you create with different name also. it will it will fail if you create a storage account with different name in this resource group, because what Azure says that this resource group is going to get deleted, its deletion is in progress. How can you create a new resource again on the same resource group? Okay, and why I am waiting for it, because in this resource group we have set all the access levels for blob, for file share, okay, all this. I can create a new resource group, then again I have to provide all the accesses. That's the problem. Okay, I'm getting a new resource group with a name called myrg. Okay, I'll go to this resource group. I'll go to access control IAM. Until I provide this accesses, it's not allowing me to upload the files. That's the problem here, guys. Getting or not. This all accesses I have to provide. This we have done many times, guys, many times. If you are doing the practice, you can easily understand why we are giving this, what is happening here and all, right? Yes or no? This is the thing that we have to keep in mind. Okay. Okay, I'm just providing the accesses at resource group level. Instead of sitting ideally here to wait for this resource group deletion, I'm creating a new resource group. I'm providing all the accesses to this resource group so that I can continue my demos here. Okay, all right, all is done. Fine. I take a refresh. I think now this resource group is also ready. This is also ready. Fine. So I can create the storage account now in any of the resource group as per my choice. I'm creating a storage account quickly. Quickly, I'm creating a storage account. Okay. I'll take here my RG. Okay. I'll give the storage account name as 1909. Okay. Source storage account. I'm giving here source storage account. SRC stands for source. SA stands for storage account. Okay. I'm giving some unique number here 1909 to make the storage account name as unique. I'm passing any number here to make the storage account name as unique. Okay, fine. Next, I'll take this one. I'll say networking. All these things I'm keeping as it is default. Okay, and then I'll say here next tags, next review plus create, and then I'll deploy the storage account. Okay, I'll deploy the storage account. That is what it is saying here in the steps. What it is saying in the steps, sir. After we have placed this file in our local laptop, search storage account in Azure portal, click on storage account and create a storage account. Now create a container inside the storage account and upload a .csv file inside the container. Okay. So let the storage account get deployed here. Fine. The storage account deployment is done. I'll come to the container blob storage service. I'll create a container here. I'll say here source container. Okay. I'm saying here SRC source CON stands for container, source container. Okay. I'll say here create, and then what I'll do, I'll upload one file. This file .csv file, what we have created, I'm uploading this file. These all things we have done, guys. All these things we have done. Nothing new. Nothing new. If you have done the practice at least once now, you will easily catch up the things. If you have not done the practice, then you will get confused why sir is going very fast. Why I'm going very fast? Because this is the all things that we have done already previously. Fine. Step 2. Then what is step 3 here? Creating a Gen 2 storage account. What we are doing, Gen 2 storage account. This is our source where our data is present. This is our destination where we are copying the data using ADF. Using ADF. So what I'll do, I'll come to home. I'll create one more storage account. And this time I'll give the storage account name as 1910 destination storage account. Okay. Destination storage account. Next advance. Okay. Here you have to say enable hierarchical namespace enable. You have to check this box for this enable hierarchical namespace. Okay, this is the box. When you have checked, it means that you are deploying Gen 2 storage account. Okay, ADL Gen 2 storage account. This I have told in the previous classes. Again, the same thing we are doing. Nothing new here. Okay. Rest of the things I'm just keeping it to default, and then I'll go ahead and I'll create the storage account. Okay. Fine. Gen2 storage account got deployed. Come inside the storage account, click on data lake storage, and here create one container. And this is what our destination container. Here we are going to copy our file. Fine, this is done. Next, what we'll do, we'll deploy an ADF. Next, what we'll do, we'll deploy an ADF. See, storage account ADL Gen2 created. Okay, now we'll go for the provisioning of the data factory. Okay, create and provision the Azure Data Factory in step 5 by following the below steps. So yesterday we have deployed the data factory. First time we have deployed the data factory. Come here and search for data factories. Okay, you got the data factories here. Click on it, say here, create. And remember here, these two storage accounts where you have created, okay, in MyRG. So I'll create my data factory also in MyRG. You can keep it in different resource groups also if you want it. Okay, I'm just keeping it in MyRG. Okay, and I'll say here data factory name. I'll take it as 1210 Naresh ADF. Naresh Azure Data Factory. Next. Okay, say here configure git later. All these things I have explained in yesterday's class, guys. Correct or not? So I'm just going and I'm deploying a data factory. Okay, now ADF got deployed. Go to the resource ADF and launch ADF Studios. What you'll do, launch ADF Studios. Okay, just click on the center button, launch ADF Studios. ADF Studio will get launched here for you. Hold on. Fine. Next, what I'll do, I'll click on ingest. Click on this ingest. Okay, built in copy task. Select this one and then say next. Source type. What is your source type? Where is your file? Where is your file in blob storage? So select here Azure blob storage. Correct now? Our file is in Azure blob storage only. Connection. If I'm having a new connection, select it. Else click here on plus new connection. Okay, what I'm doing here, I'm creating a link service for my source, that is blob storage. I'm creating a link service. So I'll say here link service for blob storage account. Link service for blob storage account. Okay, something like this you can give. Okay, no. Source is the place where I am keeping my file. .csv file is my source. Okay. This is two storage accounts. From my local laptop, I have already taken the file here. See this one, this file. So who is my source? This is my source. 1909. Okay. I have taken the data from my local laptop to my storage account. This is my source. And this is my destination. Okay. Fine. This is my source. This is my destination. I'm copying the data from here to here using ADF. Using ADF. Okay. From this storage account to this storage account. This storage account is what? Blob storage account. This storage account is what? ADLS Gen 2 storage account. Okay, guys, see, I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing very clearly. Please practice. Please refer the recordings. Refer the recordings and do the practice. I'm telling you, see, let me put it very clear. If you won't do the practice, if you won't do the practice, then trust me, you won't understand, okay, what's going on in the class. Why I am doing, okay, what is the purpose for that I am doing, what we are achieving, okay, what this labs means. Upcoming labs are very dry. The labs are very tough for ADF, I'm telling. ADF labs are very tough. Lot of configurations we are going to do. Lot of configurations we are going to do. You won't understand, trust me. Only attending the classes will not give you the complete knowledge. Only attending the classes will not give you the complete knowledge. Sorry, guys. Am I making sense? Please do the practice. Your practice will only give you the knowledge you will understand. Or else I'm telling you very frankly, you won't understand, okay, what's going on in the classes, okay, if you are not doing the practice, I'm telling you. Please, for God's sake, read the material. Read the material, okay. Refer the recording videos and do the practice. This is must and must and must. Else you won't get a job. I'm telling you. Every technology needs some effort, some hard work, guys. Every technology you take. It's not something you attend the classes, you will get the complete knowledge, you can crack even the interview also. No. Absolutely no. Even I do the practice of ADF these days. Sometimes I do forget the steps. I do forget the concepts. I do forget the designing of the pipelines in ADFs and all. It happens. We are human beings, guys. We are human beings. Come on. We'll forget the things. God has given us that quality. That is the inbuilt feature we are having to forget the things. Don't be shy away. Don't be shy. It's happens. Everyone will forget. And the only thing that can make you, succeed in life is your practice, your practice, your practice. Refer the video recordings. Refer the video recordings, okay, and do the practice. Again and again, I'm telling you, else you won't understand. You won't understand. Okay, the labs we are doing in the classes. In the classes, I'm telling you, take out just 1 hour, just 1 hour to do the labs. Refer the video recordings, quickly do the lab. At least you will understand the upcoming classes, or else after 2 days, 3 days, you will be completely lost. You will attend the class, you will leave the class. That's it. Okay. Yes. Ramakrishna, you are right. We have uploaded it manually in the cloud itself, and then we are moving from one storage account to another storage account. This storage account, source storage account is one type, and destination storage account is another type. All right. Fine. So what I'll do now, I'll come here. Okay. I'll come to my ADF and I'll start creating the link service. Okay. Yes, please. Thank you, Sahan. So now description, you can pass any description here. This is optional. If you pass it, fine, no problem. If you skip, no problem. All these things I'm not touching as of now. I'll explain later point of time. Here I have to select a subscription. I'll take this subscription. This is my subscription name. Carefully, you have to choose the subscription here. In which subscription your source storage account is. Okay. Then pass your source storage account. Select here your source storage account. See, this is my source storage account 1909 SA. See, 1909 source SA. That's why I have given the convenient name, something like that. Okay. And here I am giving LS1. Let us take multiple link services we are going to create. That's why I'm giving it as just a LS1 blob storage account. Here I have selected the subscription. Here I have selected the storage account. And then say here next test connection. Okay. This connection should get passed. We'll get a green check mark saying connection successful. Super. See, we got a green check mark saying that the connection is successful. Click on create. Fine. Now you are getting a link service. Okay. For your source storage account. Then here you have to select from where you have to pick the file. So this is the container that we have created. This file we have to pick it. So select this file, click this file and say okay. Fine. This all the steps I have mentioned here, guys. See all the steps I have mentioned here. Okay, name, description, storage account. Now click on test connection, and here we should get a message connection successful. Finally, click on create, click on browse here, container folder that we have created in our blob storage account. Double click on that folder and click the file. Okay, and then say okay. Now click on the detect. Okay, what I have to do, click next here, and then detect text format. Say here next, and then say detect text format. Okay, where is detect text format here? This one, detect text format. Okay, Ramakrishna, hold on, let me finish the class first. Say here detect text format. Yeah, so it is comma delimited. CSV file is comma delimited. That is what I have selected. Okay, fine. Then what I'll do here, click on preview to see how the data is. Okay, preview data. See, this is the data that we are going to move from one storage account to another storage account using ADF. Okay, how many records are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 records are there. Small file only. Okay, I cannot take big files unnecessarily. It will take time, and I don't have that much big files. Also, in the upcoming demos, I'll take big files. Okay, now what I'll do? Click on next. Say here next. Then destination type. Where is your destination? Where you want to copy the data into the Gen2 storage account? So just type here Gen2. See, you are having here data lake storage Gen2. Select the storage account. This is your destination. Pass the connection here. Okay, link service for destination storage account. Okay, I'm giving here LS1. Take the subscription here carefully. Storage account. This is our destination storage account. Say here test connection. Let us see it should get succeeded. Super. Click on create. Okay. Fine. Now, next, where you want to keep this one? You want to keep it here in this container, destination container. Click on OK. Fine. You can give the file name also. Okay. You can say it as, any file name you can give here, your choice. So you can give here something like a students details. Something I'm passing here. Okay. See here also I've mentioned all the things. Okay, creating link services, click on test connection, click on, okay, create, browse, click the container. Okay, okay, file name. Here I'm giving the file name as app auto. Instead of this, I'll give it as like, students details. Any file name you can give, that file you can see in your destination. Okay, fine. And then what I'll say, next, next. Okay, simply say here next. Okay, this is comma delimited only. Say here next, and what I'm saying here, see, add header to the file. I want the header on the file as it is, how I have seen in my source. That is what. Okay, then task name we can give as the task name as what, my first pipeline. I'm giving the name as task name, my first pipeline demo. Fine, this is fine. Task description. Okay, you can give the description if you want. Okay, designing this pipeline for my first ADF demo. If you want, you can write it down. Designing my first ADF pipeline. Okay, for my first demo. Something, guys, you can write it down. Designing my first ADF pipeline is also sufficient. I just say this much only. Okay, task description I have given. Then rest of the things, don't touch it. Just say next. See what you are doing. You are copying the data from blob storage account to data lake storage gen 2 storage account. Okay, these are the details that you have given, all the details that whatever we have given, that is what it is taking here. Okay, say here simply next. Okay, see now deployment started. It is deploying now. Hold on for some time. All should get succeeded. All should get succeeded here. Super. Everything is succeeded. See, validating copying runtime environment is completed, creating dataset completed, creating pipeline completed. After the pipeline has been created, running of the pipeline is also completed. Dataset and pipelines have been created. You can now monitor and edit the copy pipelines or click finish to close copy data tool. Okay, I'll say here finish. Done. Now, what I'll do, I'll come here and I'll see that file has been copied here in my destination storage account. Okay, see, students details, students details. Okay, click on this one, click on this file, click on edit, and here you can see the data. The data has been copied here. The data has been copied here. Okay, this what we are getting now. This in the settings we can do. I'll show it in the upcoming classes. Simple sober demo we have done. That what we have done, we have copied the data from source storage account to our destination storage account. If you want, you can download this file also. Okay, see, click on this one, say here download. The file will get downloaded to your local laptop as well. Okay, see, the file came here in your downloads. Open this one if you want it, and you can see the same data that has been came here. Okay, fine. So after this is being done, okay, what you can do, all the operations should get succeeded one by one. Yes, it has been done, and then we click on finished. Now click on author in our ADF factory. Okay, left side second icon in ADF factory. Okay, ADF studios. Azure Data Factory ADF studio. So this is our author icon. Click on this author icon. See here we are having one pipeline. My first pipeline demo that we have created, and we have created here two data sets. This is source data sets and this is destination data set. Source and destination data sets. And if you click on manage here, fourth icon, then here you will see two link services we have created. Link service for blob storage account, link service for Gen 2 or destination storage account. One data set is attached to this one. That's why it is showing related one, and here it is showing related one. If you click on this one, it will show this data set is attached to this link service, and here it will show this data set, destination data set is attached to this link service. That is what it is showing it here. Okay, guys, is that clear? This is what I am telling in the material also. Okay, click on pipeline. Here we can see the pipeline that we created. Click on datasets. Here we can see the datasets that we have created. Click on manage, left side fourth icon in ADF Studios. Link service. Here we can see the link services that we have created to establish a connection between source and targets. Click on author pipeline. Okay, debug, then after some 30 to 40 seconds of time, we can see input icon. Okay, this you can do the debug also here. Okay, come here. Okay, this is your pipeline. Okay, see, this is the copy data task has been created. You can create this task manually also. I'll show that as well in the second demo, third demo, upcoming demos. Okay, now you can say debug. Once you say debug, what will happen here? It will start executing. Okay, it will run again. The file is there already actually. Okay, it is in queue. Hold on for some time. What I have given as per Microsoft documentation, it will take some 30 to 45 seconds of time. Okay, to copy the data. Actually, already we have done it already. It has been copied. Okay. And remember here, guys, one thing. See, it got succeeded. If it is getting failed for you here, simply understand you have done somewhere something wrong. If it is getting failed for you here, this is your final output of your demo. If it is showing fail, pipeline status show it is showing succeeded. If it is showing fail here, red color, understood you have done something somewhere wrong. Do this demo again from the beginning. Again from the beginning. And one more thing here, guys, if you come here, the data copy is already been done because we have, okay, completed this one with the help of the tool, ingest, data ingest tool, right? Come to your destination, click here, go to your destination. See here you are having already the file. Okay, fine. So this is your input, this is your output, this is your details about the debug what you have done. Okay, this is your input. Source sync was is delimited text sync. Okay, and one file we have copied. Okay, this is your destination. Okay, this is your destination details. Okay, all mostly it is not that much relevant for us for to understand, but still in real time projects it will be helpful for you as part of a debugging issue if you are finding any issue, any problem. Fine. Now this is what your, okay, details. Blob storage account to data lake storage account. You have copied the data. It is succeeded. Data read is 91 bytes. It reads the data in bytes. Data written in 1091 bytes. Files read only one file. That is what it is showing here. Files read. Files written in destination storage account is one file only. Rows read 5 rows, including the header. Rows written 5 rows, including the header. Peak connection, only one connection we have established. That is what it is. Copy duration is for 7 seconds. In 7 seconds, it has completed the copy. It's very small file, very small data, right? Very small data. That's why it has just completed in 7 seconds. Throughput, it's 45 bytes, something. And start time, we have started this on 12th September, 8:14 a.m. 8:14 a.m. means just 3-4 minutes ago. 3-4 minutes ago. DIUs, okay, these are all what DIUs parallel copies, guys. These are the compute processing powers. Okay, compute power, processing power, network power. That integration runtime will take it by itself by Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory is having this feature, this capability. See, the data is copying from this storage account to this storage account, so it's not just happening on the air, right? Definitely, okay. Internally, behind the scenes, some compute powers is needed. Compute power, RAM, and networking, all these things are needed, and this will be taken care by ADF by itself. There is no need for us to bother for these things. Okay, that's the beauty of ADF. We are just focusing, we are giving attention only on our source and targets, our data, and then we are running the pipelines. That's it. Okay, fine. So total duration, it has taken 7 seconds to copy the file. Okay, queue and transfer. See, in queue it was for 3 seconds, and in transfer it is just in 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the time it is showing at individual level. Okay, just see this, guys. This is sufficient for us. Copy duration time is 7 seconds. If the file is having huge data, then it will increase the time automatically. Maybe it will take some 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 20 minutes, depends upon the volume of data from source to target, how much where it is. Okay. So Sahan, can I skip all these demos then? I'll skip all these ones, then immediately I'll jump to the the complex ones. Today is our first demo, right, for ADF. What do you think? Shall I quick directly to the complicated ones? Shall I skip all this? Will you guys do this as part of the assignments? Yes, no? If you're okay, then I'm ready to skip. Hey, seriously, man, don't laugh. So when we are a baby, when we are a baby, we first start eating milk and chapati, right? Then we'll slowly come to chapati. Then we'll slowly come to khichdi. Then we'll slowly come to biryani. Yeah, in future I'll explain, ma. This is our first demo, for ADF. Maybe you are an expert, maybe, okay, but other peoples are there in the class also. So maybe they are beginner. They are learning, listening for the first time. Okay, so I have to take care of every individual, correct or not? And see here, I have given this material long back. If you guys are feeling it like you can also do all these demos on your own by reading the steps. All steps I have given here, you can do it. Else I'll do it, watch it, then you do it by watching the video recordings. Okay, is that clear? Fine. Can we move without dataset files? No, dataset files is compulsory needed, right? Dataset is what your source and destinations. Okay, in your source dataset, you have to keep one file, else what it is going to copy them if you're not keeping it. All right. So guys, this is the first demo that we have seen, that we have moved one small file. We have moved one small file which is carrying just 5 to 7 records, 5 to 6 records, and we have done this using ADF. We have done this using ADF. All right. Next demo we are having is this one. Okay, guys, please go ahead and start doing the labs. All the steps are given here. If you're finding it, you know, confident that you can do it, please go ahead and start doing the labs. Okay, fine. Next we are having is what? Implementation steps for copying the zip file. Next demo I'm going to do is what? Copying the zip file. Zip file. In this demo, what we have copied? We have copied the CSV file. Now here we are copying the zip file. And remember, guys, in your real-time projects, you will get okay, requirements like this only. You will get the requirements like this only. Copy the zip file, Excel file, zip, okay, CSV file, copy the data, copy only this much data, copy the data into multiple tables, copy the data into multiple files. Like this kind of different requirements only, you will get it as a data engineer. Video files, there is a separate approach, Mahesh. Check it in the Google, or else I'll show you in the upcoming classes if it is there in the syllabus. Okay, same approach, na Mahesh? Same approach, right? What you have to do, simply come here to your source. Okay, come here to your source, upload a file. See, guys, here we are uploading file manually. Okay, like you're uploading manually. If you need to upload 15 files, 50 files, 100 files, how you can do that migration? How you can do that? 100 files. Okay, you can upload here any file, video file, that file, this file, any file you can upload it here. When you are uploading it, what you have to do, you have to choose here what? A page blob. That's it. And you can upload the video file. Once you upload the video file will be here, and then the same process, no change. Okay, is that clear? That is what I'm trying to say here. Same process, because this storage account is having a capability to take up any type of data. And if you want to upload 100 files, if you want to migrate 100 files from your private cloud, from your local laptop to the storage account, then I'm going to show you that migration demos in the very last classes. How to migrate the data, I'm going to show that in the very last classes. Okay, is that clear? All right. So next we are having this demo, guys. Okay. Implementation steps for copying the zip file. Same steps, no change at all. Just come here. First, what you have to do, take the zip file from my material only. Okay, this is my material. This is my zip folder. Come here. Okay, come here. Okay, place the zip folder here. Okay, place the zip folder here in your local laptop first from the material. It won't come. Okay, see now what I have done. I have taken the zip folder in my local laptop. Now from your local laptop, take it to your source storage account. Okay, source storage account. Okay, what it is taking a C blob. Fine, say upload. See, like this, you can upload the video file also. Like this, you can upload the shots, whatever it is basically. Okay, only the type you have to change it. Fine. This is once it is done, same steps you have to do. What we have done. Create storage account as destination, or else you can take this storage account only as destination. Gen2 storage account. You can take as this storage account only. Deploy data factory, launch ADF data factory, click on manage left side. Okay. Do this demo as an assignment, guys. Do this demo as an assignment. Okay. Fine. Then I'll show the next one in the tomorrow's class. Next one in the tomorrow's class. Or shall I do it? Shall I do it right now? Yes. Tomorrow? Okay. See, guys, I'm telling you, just do some hands-on. It will make your confidence. It will make your confidence, I'm telling. Okay. Fine. So you can do this demo in tomorrow's class. Okay. Let me see who all is able to complete. It's simple steps, guys. Everything I have given here in detail. All the steps here I have given in detail. Just do this demo as an assignment. Okay. Then I'll take up in the tomorrow's class the another demo. This I'll take up in tomorrow's class. Okay. The demo is completing here. This demo is completing here. Here we are copying the zip file. We are copying the zip file here from source to destination. And then in tomorrow's class, I'll show this demo. If you guys are not able to do this demo, then I'll show it in tomorrow's class. I'll show it in tomorrow's class. Okay. I'll show it in tomorrow's class. Fine. So I'll give you an assignments, guys, definitely. So you can do this demo as it is. This one, what I have done today, and do this demos also. This demo also. Do these two demos by seeing the steps. After you have done these two demos successfully completed, automatically your confidence will build up. Okay, you will become little more confident, and then after that you can place different types of files in your source, and then you can try to moving the data. Okay, is that clear? This demo is big, guys. Okay, this demo is big. We cannot complete in 10-15 minutes. You just try it. Okay, if it is not happening, definitely I'll show it in tomorrow's class. No worries. Okay. What it is example in an organization application savings log file, a particular folder which need to move other folder automatically. Yes, you can do. Ramakrishna, just hold on, ma. Have some patience, sir. Today only we have started the ADF demos. Right. Today was the first demo. So have some patience. Okay, as the time goes on, there are many labs we are going to do. We are going to schedule an automations using triggers. Okay. So in the first class itself, I cannot show an automation. There are many actually. Even I don't remember here. There are many automations also. To be honest, I am also a human being. I have not also remembered, but different automations that is I have planned in this course, I'll show it. Definitely I'll show. No problem. Okay, fine. All right, guys. So do these two assignments today. This demo, same as it is. This demo, same as it is. Once you have done it successfully completed, then change the source files like video, images, kind of stuff, and do the ADF. Copy the files from your source to target. Let us see whether it is moving or not. Okay, fine. And remember here that, guys, when you are changing the file format, you cannot say here comma delimited. You have to choose it accordingly. The type of the file in your source and target, that you have to keep in mind. Okay, fine. Yes, it is possible, Ramakrishna. Many things is possible. Okay, we are also, do the things accordingly as per the requirement, whatever comes in. Okay, yeah. We'll see. We'll see what are the things possible from our end. We'll see. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, I'll just close the class for today. We'll connect again tomorrow and we'll see the other steps, other demos. Okay. Bye, everyone, guys. Take care. Have a nice day ahead.